Hi students, welcome to our maths class. In the part of exercise 13.1 limits, look at this ninth question. First one, solution. Limit of x tends to 1, x square minus 3x plus 2 upon x square minus 1. Now if you substitute the value of x equal to 1 in the given expression, 1 minus 3 plus 2 upon 1 minus 1. As I told you earlier, whenever we substitute indeterminate form, undefined, 0 by 0 has no meaning, yes, undefined form. So I will take the given limit again. Limit x tends to 1, factorize the numerator and denominator so we can get answer. Limit x tends to 1. After completing differentiation, we will go for L'Hospital's rule. We have one rule that I will tell you later. So that is very easy method. So here now I am going to factorize this x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 2 upon, looks like x plus 1 into x minus 1. Which formula is used here? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Right? A plus b into a minus b. Limit of x tends to 1. Take x common, x minus 2 minus 1 common, x minus 2 upon x plus 1 into x minus 1. So limit x tends to 1, take x minus 2 of x minus 1 upon x plus 1 into x minus 1. This 2 gets cancelled. Limit x tends to 1, x minus 2 upon x plus 1. Put value 1 minus 2 by 1 plus 1. That means minus 1 by 2. Therefore, what is the answer? Limit as x tends to 1, x square minus 3x plus 2 upon x square minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Hope it is clear. Just factorize the numerator and denominator and cancel the common factor. Then in the remaining value, replace the value of x. When we put the value of x, don't write the limit again. Clear? Second question, see once. Ninth bit, second question. Second bit. Ninth question, second bit. Second solution, limit x tending to 3, x cube minus 27 upon x square minus 9. So I will do one thing here. First limit, if you substitute 3 cube minus 27 by 3 square minus 9, 0 by 0, indeterminate form. So what should you do now? We will go for further procedure. What is that? Limit of x tends to 3, x cube minus 27 upon x square minus 9 equal to limit x tending to 3, x cube minus 27 I will write 3 cube by 9 I will write 3 square. So algebraic formula, you may be perfect here. A cube minus b cube formula. Do you remember? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is first formula. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. These two are the algebraic, high school algebra. Numerator looks like a cube minus b cube, right? I can write a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square upon, looks like a square minus b square. a plus b into a minus b. Value of a is x, value of b is 3. So looks like a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Now what is the common factor here? X minus 3. That is our procedure. If you cancel that common factor, you will get easily by x plus 3. Now substitute x value 3 here. 9 plus 3 is 9 plus 9 upon 3 plus 3 6. That means 27 upon 6. 3 9s are 3 2s are. So answer is 9 by 2. Right? Therefore, limit x tending to 3, x cube minus 27 upon x square minus 9 equal to 9 by 2. Hope it is clear. Thank you. Hello students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of exercise 13.1. Eighth problem, first bit. What is the question here? Limit of x is tending to 1 by 2, 4x square minus 1 by 2x minus 1. So in the place of x, if you replace 1 by 2, surely we will get 0 by 0. You can check it. This is indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Right? So what should we do in that case? Now I will take the given limit as x is tending to 1 by 2, 4x square minus 1 by 2x minus 1 equal to limit x is tending to 1 by 2. Can I write 4x square as 2x whole square minus 1 upon 2x minus 1? Can I write 4x square is nothing but 2x whole square? Limit x tends to 1 by 2 looks like a square minus b square, right? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b upon cancel. Hope it is clear. Looks like a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So remaining values I am writing. So 2x plus 1 is remaining. Now what should you do? In the place of x keep 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 to cancel. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, limit of x tends to 1 by 2, 4x square minus 1 upon 2x minus 1 equal to 2. Is that clear? So answer is 2. Second bit we will see now. Second bit, limit of x tends to 1, x minus 1 upon 2x square minus 7x plus 5. Surely we will get, first what we should we do? X place in the place of x keep 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 7 into 1 plus 5. 0 by 0. That is indeterminate form. So what should you do in the case of that? Now given limit becomes limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 upon 2x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 upon factorization. Everybody knows here 2 5s are 10. 10 can be written as 5 2s are 10, minus 5 minus 2 I am taking because here we have minus 7. So this 10 can minus 7x can be written as minus 5x minus 2x plus 5. Right? Everybody knows factorization, algebra. Take x common, 2x minus 5 minus 1 common, 2x minus 5. So limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 upon 2x minus 5 into x minus 1. So x minus 1 gets cancelled. Limit x tends to 1 upon 2x minus 5. So in the place of x keep 1. 2 into 1 minus 5. So 1 by 2 minus 5 minus 1 by 3. Therefore, limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 upon 2x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to minus 1 by 3. Is that clear? So, thank you.